G'day folks, welcome back. Today, I'm going to do a bit of an experiment with this distributor cap thing that I'm mucking around with. I'm going to spin the canvases up, load it up with some soap, and we'll see what patterns we get. And then we'll be finishing this one in a matte black as well, because really good contrast. So I'll get this thing set up, get it spinning, and we'll see what happens. Ooh, UV lights, I better turn them on as well. Boop. Boop. Oh, that's brighter, isn't it? Okay. New Fandangle controller. This here. And off we go, hopefully. Let's see what happens. Put this loaded up with some soap. I'm not going to put any tension on this today because it sort of flings out the side. There's this thing called centrifugal force apparently that comes into play when things spin. So let's load it up. Alright, she's dropping, and here we go. Right. There. Well, let's see what chaos we have created. This guy. Well, we've got a visitor. No. Well, make that 2 visitors. Bugs like bright lights. Oh no, there's multiple visitors. We've got another one here.
here. What else? One here. Alright, we better spray this before more bugs land on it. Ha! Here we go. Pretty good. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, excuse my fat head. Now we will hose off the soap.
Oh my God, the camera work. It's crazy.
We've got one hose. Right. We'll just give this a little time for the paint to go tacky. And hopefully we'll have a crazy, chaotic pattern left. Alright, you can actually see, I don't know if you guys can see, but the particles of paint that landed on the soap, after a while they start to sink in. So that's why I sort of go right at the edge of when the paint cures to try and avoid paint sinking through the soap and touching the canvas. So then you get these little, kind of gives it a dot matrix effect, like a printer from the 19 something or others. But I think we're getting really close. Ooh, I reckon I'm going to count to 10 and go for it. 1, 2, something, something. 9, 10. Close enough.
worse. He's back down here, we'll shake some water off it. Right there. Put this one over here. I like this one. All right, I'm grabbing you guys. Ready? 1, 2, whee! So, here's what we got. I kind of like this. It looks a little weird because I had the canvases. I was going to do them with the fades matching across both canvases, but at the last second I flipped them. And I'm glad I did. This is a really weird effect. This is another one where if you're standing right over the top of it, it looks like you can fall into it. And the two canvas split, I really like that effect too. But I like this distributor cap. It does interesting things. Let's zoom in and have a little look. Whee! Start in this corner, right? Put that over here. In the middle, that looks really cool. Yeah, I just used, what was it, neon pink? Yeah, I used the neon pink, orange, yellow and green. And to get the red, you just spray down some orange and hit it with a bit of pink and it goes that beautiful red. So there's a tip for the spray paint company. Mix your yellow and your orange together and you can sell me cans of red. Hint, hint. And you need blue as well, dudes. Maybe some purple. Just saying. Well, listen, I just want to say thanks to Emma and all the awesome mods over there, and thanks to that Petty P.I. Mango Jones, that Buttercup, you guys are all awesome. Been putting out the word about my weird art, and I just want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed too. You're all awesome sauce. You're a bit weird, but that's all right, so am I. See you all next time.